Coming to problem number 7 here. The income of a person is Rs 3 lakh. One person the income 3 lakh rupees in the first year, okay, ಮೊದಲ ವರ್ಷ, and he receives an increase of Rs 10,000 to his income per year. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಷ every year second year ಗೆ, third year ಗೆ, fourth year ಗೆ ಆ ತರ 10,000 ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 3 lakh rupees ಇತ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 rupees ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 3,10,000 rupees ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಯರ್ ಗೋಸ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಯರ್ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಮತ್ತೆ 10,000 ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ 3,20,000 ಆಯಿತು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 3,30,000, 3,40,000 ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 10,000 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೊಂಟು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವಿತ್ತು? ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 10,000 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. He receives an increase of Rs 10,000 to his income per year for the next 19 years. First year 3 lakh ಐತ್ರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 19 years ವರೆಗೂ 10,000 ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕುವಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಟೋಟಲ್ 20 years ಆಯಿತು. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 20 years. ಅಂದರೆ 20 yearsಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು 20 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಿ ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ that 3 lakh is nothing but first term. First term A is equal to 3 lakh rupees in the first year, and he receives an increase of 10,000 every year, increase account up to 3. Common difference D is equal to common difference D is equal to 10,000. What you need to calculate? Find the total amount. In the sense, Sn I have to calculate. Sn is equal to question mark. And one more. In how many years? In 20 years. In the sense, n is equal to 20. Very easy problem it is. Sn is equal to n by 2 into, we will use this formula. Using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n is 20 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 3 lakh plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into common difference 10,000. 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 into 2 into 3 lakh is nothing but 6 lakh. Plus of this is 19 into 10,000. 10 into 6 lakh plus 19 into 10,000 in the sense 1,90,000. 6 lakh plus 1,90,000 is nothing but 60 plus 60 plus 19 is nothing but 79 and 4 zeros. This 10 will get multiplied. This is nothing but 79 lakh rupees. This is the answer. So total amount received by the person in 20 years is 79 lakh rupees. Correct? now we will solve problems from the exercise 9.2. Two problems I have written here, first problem and second problem. First one, what is saying? Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Odd integers, odd andre ಬೆಸ, integers andre ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳು. Odd integers from 1 to 2001, 1ರಿಂದ 2001ರವರೆಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಡ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Those are nothing but first odd integer will be 1 odd, so next will be 3, 5, 7, like that it goes up to what? Up to 2001. We need to take sum of all this. ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ನಾವು sum calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First of all, we will come to know whether it is in AP or GP. It is in AP. It is in arithmetic progression, because you take the difference between any two consecutive terms, that is 2. It is in the arithmetic progression with A is equal to, means first term is equal to 1, and what about the common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. Common difference is 2 here. And one thing, what is that? Sn we need to calculate here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A and d we got. Now to get number of terms, that is n is equal to how much here? To find out n is equal to, what we will do? You will use the formula of an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Do you know an? An is nothing but nth term, that is last term. An is equal to nth term, that is 2001. N is equal to, we don't know, that one you need to calculate, and our question is to find out sum of all these terms. So Sn is equal to, so using the formula, An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 2001, which is equal to, a means 1 plus of number of terms we don't know, keep it as it is. Common difference d is 2. Take this one to the left hand side. 2001 becomes 2000. 2001 minus 1, that is 2000, which is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 2 you take to the left hand side. 2000 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. 2 ones are 2 thousands. This is 1000 is equal to n minus 1. 1 you take to the left hand side. This is nothing but n is equal to 1001. Means how many terms are there in the AP? In this AP, 1001 terms are there. Okay. Now to go for Sn. Sn is equal to, means sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001 is equal to, using the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of using the formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d, as the last term is directly known to us, last term ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, better to use the formula a plus an, first term plus last term. Okay, this simplifies the problem. That's why n, number of terms, is nothing but 1001 divided by 2 into a1. An is 2001. This is 1001 into 2002 divided by 2. 2 ones are, this becomes 1001. Sn is 1001 into 1001. What you do? You multiply these two. You multiply madri. Sn is equal to, we have 1002,001. Then you multiply 1001 into 1001. Answer will be 1002,001. Okay. Now coming to the second problem. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Natural numbers andre ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು lying between 1000 and 100 and 1000. Lying between, in the sense we should not include these end points. 1000 and 100 we should not include here. Okay, which are multiples of 5. First condition is that they have to be natural numbers. Second condition is that they should lie between 100 and 1000. And third condition is that they should be multiples of 5. So what are those? Okay, here series is Should I include 100? No, I should not include between 100 and 1000. Fine. Now, next 1001. 1001 is not multiple of 5. 5 is the multiple alla adu. 1002, no. 1003, no. 1004, no. Sorry. 101, 102, 103, 104 like that. 105 I can include. 105 I can include. 105 is a natural number. It is between 100 and 1000 and also it is multiple of 5. Next 110, 115. So on it goes like this. What will be the last number? Last number all of you can observe, that is 995. Okay. What I need to calculate here? Find the sum of all these numbers. Sum of all these numbers, Sn I should use. Sn is equal to, and which is missing here? First term A is equal to 105. It is in AP. First term fine. Common difference D is nothing but A2 minus A1. So 110 minus 105 is nothing but 5. Common difference D is equal to 5. An is known to us, that is 995. We need to calculate sum of all natural numbers in the sense Sn is equal to question mark, which is unknown, one more quantity, that is n is equal to question mark. N also we don't know, means number of terms which are lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5, that one also we don't know. To calculate that n first, what we will do? We will use the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is An? That is 995, which is equal to A 105 plus n minus 1 into D is 5. Okay. Take this 105 to the left hand side. 995 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. This is 995 minus 100, 895. 895 minus 5, that is nothing but 890. 890 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Take 5 to the left hand side. 890 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 ones are 3 will be there, 39, 7s are 35, 4 or 40 in the sense 8s are. Okay, 178 is equal to n minus 1. Take this 1 to the left hand side. So we have n is equal to 179, means 179 terms are there. Taking the sum of all these terms, using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into, as first term and last terms are known to us, we will use the formula A plus An, first term plus last term. Sn is equal to n by 2. N is 179 divided by 2. First term A is 105. Last term An is 995. 179 by 2 into, how much is this? 105 plus 995 is nothing but 995 plus 5, 1000, 100 in the sense 1100. 2 ones are, 2 5s are, 1 is there, 2 5s are 50. 179 into 550. 179 into 550 is 98,450. So sum of the natural numbers between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5 is 98,450. Exercise 9.2 problem number 3 we are going to solve now. In an AP, the first term is 2, that is directly given to us. First term in the sense A is equal to 2 and the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of next 5 terms. Show that 20th terms is minus 112. Here we need to show that 20th term is minus 112. What is 20th term? Is A plus 19D. A plus 19D. What are the unknown quantities there? ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತವು ಯಾವಾವು? A ಮತ್ತೆ D. A is directly given to us. Now we need to calculate D. Common difference ಅನ್ನು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To calculate common difference, you see what is given there. D calculation ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. They are saying sum of first 5 terms. Let me write here. Sum of first 5 terms. ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲ 5 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ. Is means you write right. Means you write equal to is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Next 5 terms in the sense it is sum of first 5 terms, first term to 5th term, and next 5 terms are those. Next 5 terms are 6th term to 10th term. That is nothing but 1/4 of sum of terms from 6th to 10th. 6th term in the 10th term or the sum already. Okay, using this statement we will find out D. Okay, common difference D we don't know. Common difference D is equal to question mark. Sum of first 5 terms. I will use the formula here using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. I am using this. Okay. Sum of first 5 terms in the sense n is equal to 5. This is 5 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 2 plus of n minus 1. N in the sense how many terms are there? 5 terms are there. 5 minus 1 into D is unknown quantity. I will write it as it is. Which is equal to 1/4 times. 1/4 times. Sum of next terms, next 5 terms in the sense sum of the terms from 6th to 10th. See here 2a. What will be this a? We have to be careful. A is a 6th term. First term is a 6th term here. So a6 plus of this n by 2 is missing. Write this n by 2 outside. N is again 5 here. Sum of next 5 terms in the sense 5 by 2 into 2a6 plus n minus 1. Number of terms will be 5 only. 5 minus 1 into D is unknown quantity. You keep this as it is. You have to be careful. This is 6th term. Fine. Both side 5 by 2 get cancelled. 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 4D is equal to 1/4 times 2 into what is the 6th term? A6 using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. 6th term is nothing but A plus 5D. 2 will get multiplied to both, that's why I am keeping it inside the bracket, plus of 4D. This 4 will get multiplied to the left hand side. 4 into 4 plus 4D which is equal to 2 into A. I can substitute, that is nothing but 2 plus 5D plus 4D. This is 16 plus 16D is equal to 4 plus 10D plus 4D. Simple. D terms, all D terms you take to the left hand side and all constants you take to the right hand side. 16D minus 10D minus 4D is equal to 4 minus 16. Okay. 16D minus 10D, 6D. 6D minus 4D is nothing but 2D. 2D is equal to 4 minus 16, that is minus 12. Take 2 to the right hand side. D is equal to minus 12 by 2, 2 1s are 2 6s are. So value of D, that is common difference, is a minus 6 here. Common difference we got. Now coming to the actual question, that is showing 20th term is minus 112. 20th term is equal to A plus 19D. I am using A plus n minus 1 into D formula here. A is given 2 plus 19 into D is minus 6. Yes, 2 plus into minus, minus 6 9s are 54, 5 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 5 means 11. 2 minus 112, 114 is nothing but minus 112.